If an object is projected into the air from ground level with an initial velocity of 64 feet per second, its altitude or height, s, in feet in t seconds is given by the formula s equals negative 16t squared plus 64t. At what time will the object be at a height of 64 feet? Because s is height in the formula, in feet, we can substitute 64 for s into the formula and solve for t to answer this question. We have 64 is equal to negative 16t squared plus 64t. We'll add 16t squared and subtract 64t from both sides of the equation in order to get all terms on the left side and 0 on the right. When we do that, we have 16t squared minus 64t plus 64 is equal to 0. Notice that we can factor out a common factor of 16 from the left side. We have 16 times t squared minus 4t plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we can divide both sides of the equation by 16, and we have t squared minus 4t plus 4 is equal to 0. On the left, we have a perfect square trinomial. We'll factor that as t minus 2 squared, which is equal to 0. By the zero factor property, we know that t minus 2 is equal to 0, and so t equals 2. This tells us that at 2 seconds after the object is projected, it will be at a height of 64 feet.